Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 76, 77, 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have a brand new unit. This is a 2019 Lexus RX350 F Sport Series 3 in the Nebula Gray Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include premium LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver's seat memory seating, auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heads up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view mirrors, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keep assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, 15-speaker Mark Levinson audio system, dual zone climate control, wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with Sport Plus, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, red interior, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.